Good evening. Good evening. So, guys, everyone should turn on your cameras. Disha, turn on your camera. Yes. Have you guys registered in Wise app?
Yes, sir.
Good. So, today we are going to talk about quadratic equations, which already you might have learned in your 10th standard. Am I right? Have you learned in 10th standard or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. So, tell me what exactly the quadratic equation? What do you mean? Can anyone of you please tell me that?
Whose degrees to
Degrees. Degrees too. Guys, what is, can you please define that properly?
sir, it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0.
Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Good. So any expression, any polynomial which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Getting my point? So, one second. So let's get started. Huh. Tell me, now I'll ask a couple of questions to you guys. Huh. Who told the answer now? Amrut told the answer, right? Now Arvind will give me the answer. So what is this general form of quadratic equation, Arvind? Do you remember that? What is the general form of that?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Make it fast.
So should I say
Yes.
ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, sir?
Good. So what is the condition for quadratic equation, Disha? And what is the general what do you call that? Yeah, what is the condition for that? First, to tell me that. And condition, what are the condition? Ax square plus bx plus c we are saying, right? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So what is the condition for that?
So, like, should I tell about the discriminants?
Sorry?
Like the discriminant, should I tell about that?
No, 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 no. Not discriminant. See, I'm talking about what is the condition. I mean, condition in the sense, so ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, I said, right? So what are a, b, c over there? And which are the constants should not be equal to 0?
A should not
Are
be
you
0.
Disha? Amrut, are you Disha? I'm asking her, right? You
No,
must,
sir.
when I ask you, you give me the answer. Clear? Yes.
Yes,
Make it fast. Do you know, Ma? Do you know or not?
No, sir.
Cool. See here, let me share the screen here. Look at this. Guys, everyone try to understand this. Look at the screen. So, excuse me. Definition, any equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Getting my point? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Any equation which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is called as quadratic equation, where a comma b comma c belongs to real number and where a must not be equal to 0. These are the conditions. This is the condition. Getting my point? Yes or no? What is the condition? ABC belongs to real numbers. What is real numbers here? Real number in the sense, what? It could be natural number, it could be a whole number, it could be an integer, it could be a rational and irrational number. Getting my point? It could be anything. Real number in the sense, it could be natural number or whole number, integer, rational, irrational number. It could be anything. Getting my point? Huh. A is not equal to 0, defined as the quadratic equation with a real coefficient. Defined as a quadratic equation with a real coefficient. So what is the coefficient of x square here? A. What is the coefficient of x here? B. What is the coefficient of constant? C. Getting my point? Is equal to 0. So if you find anywhere, if you find an equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and where a comma b comma c are belongs to real numbers and a is not equal to 0, then that could be called as what? Quadratic equation. Understood, guys? Understood? Yes or no? Yes
Yes,
or
sir.
no? Yes or no? You should talk. See here,
Yes, sir.
uh, don't what do you call that? Don't tilt your head like Gangireddu. Do you know what is Gangireddu?
No, sir.
In Telugu we call Gangireddu. Gangireddu का मतलब होता है मकर संक्रांति को आता है ना, वो बुल आता है ना घर के सामने आके ऐसे सिर हिलाता है. पता है क्या बोलता है उसको?
Yeah, I understood.
हाँ, उसको बोलता है, वो हिलाता है ऐसा सिर को, वो क्या बोलता है, वो बुल. That bull tilt head like that. You should talk, guys. We are humans, right? We should you know and we should talk in a class, we should discuss, then only we'll able to understand whether you are understanding or not. Clear, please? So look at this. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where abc belongs to real number and a is not equal to 0. So there is a condition, basic thing which you have learned, right? So now let us talk about examples. Look at this here. We have plenty examples. Look at this. 2x square plus 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Now x plus 1 by x is equal to 2 is a quadratic equation or not? Tell me. It is not a quadratic equation. Why cannot be? Why it cannot be? It is not a quadratic equation, guys. Why it can't be? Tell me. So
Sir,
x,
because it's
it
not
is not a
equal
polynomial. It is not a, basically it is not a polynomial. Why it is not a
0.
polynomial? See here, 1 by x can be written as x to the power of minus 1 is equal to, right? The power of the polynomial is a negative number here. The power of the polynomial is what? Negative number. So power of the polynomial should not be negative number. Getting my point, children? So look at this here. Power of the polynomial should not be a negative number. Understanding or not? Huh. So x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 2. It is not a polynomial. Understood, guys? This is not a polynomial. Why we are not calling that as a polynomial? Anjali, Anjali, Anjali ji, why are you late?
Yes, sir. Sir, I thought we were taking the class in the Wise app, so I was
Why
like
is that?
checking that, but
See, we
I
are,
so I
yeah.
just saw the messages again and saw that you're taking Zoom only, like the
You,
same thing, like the link and all. So I just joined really fast here.
okay, but you see here we started at 5:15, right? So you just didn't send the request. So I was waiting for your request to accept, but none of very three members have sent the request. So if you send the request, then only I can accept your request. Then only you can able to join the session. Getting my point? So 1 second
Yes, sir,
now.
I
I'm
understood, sir.
getting
From
so
next
much
time
of
I'll be on
delay.
time.
So let me, yes, yeah. Yes, please, guys, try to, look at the messages in the group. Clear? Try to have a look at the messages. Okay. Chalo. So x plus 1 by x is not a polynomial, isn't it? Understanding, guys? Have you understood this now? Any doubts? Why we are? It is not a polynomial, first of all. If it is not a polynomial, it cannot be a quadratic equation. Understanding? So here, power of the x is not a whole number. The power of x is not a whole number. So that is the reason we are not calling that as a polynomial. Look at the third example. Root 3x square plus 7x plus 2 is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. Is it a quadratic equation? We have root, right? Root 3x square plus 7x plus 2 is equal to 0. Whether it is a quadratic equation or not? Tell me, it is a quadratic equation or not? Yes, it is a quadratic equation, guys. Why? Look at this here. Root is for only constant. Here, look at this here. Coefficient of x square is real number. Coefficient of x is also real number. Constant is also real number. So we have, look at this here. All these are what? Constants. All these are constants which are belongs to real numbers. Which are belongs to real numbers. So these all are constant which are belongs to real numbers. Getting my point? So of course this is what now? This is a quadratic equation. See here, power of the variable should not be root or negative or power of the variable should not be negative, and it should not consist minus symbol. So look at, if I write x power of minus 1, this is not a polynomial. If I write simply x, this is a polynomial. Getting my point? Understood, children? Power of the variable should not be a negative number, and power of the variable should not be a what? Rational number. Power of the variable cannot be like this. Power of the variable cannot be like this. It can be like this simply, x to the power of 1, which means x only. Getting my point, children? So this is how you might have learnt in your polynomials. Same policy, same concept we are applying in a quadratic equation as well. Getting my point? Look at this here. Good. So what is the algebraic equation and law of algebra? What is quadratic equation, sorry, and law of algebra? So first, what is quadratic equation and law of algebra? So let us try to talk. First, we'll talk about degree of polynomial in that part. So what is degree of the polynomial? Highest power of the variable can be called as what? Degree of the polynomial. As simple as that. Isn't it, guys? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. I need a response from everyone. Amrud, Arvind, Disha ji. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is the degree of the polynomial?
Highest degree of the polynomial.
अरे यार, I'm asking what is degree of the polynomial. You are saying highest degree of the polynomial. क्वेश्चन को फिरा के बोल रही वो, ऐसा घुमा घुमा के बोल रहे हो. You are just tilting the question. You are just क्या बोलते हैं, क्वेश्चन को घुमा रहे हैं आप. ऐसे see degree, highest power of the variable. You are saying highest degree of the polynomial. I'm saying that what is the degree of the polynomial? I'm asking you a question. You are saying again the question. It's like question. Yes. Highest power of the variable. Power pe, like whatever the highest power we have for a variable, that can be called as degree of polynomial. Now, what is degree of quadratic equation, Anjali? Don't look at the screen. Look at the camera simply and say the answer. See, you are reading out over there and just saying the answer. Don't do that.
No, sir.
What is the degree of the
degree of-
quadratic?
It has a degree of 2.
Yes, it has degree as 2. Look at this here. Why? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, right? So the highest power of the variable is what here? Which variable we have here? X variable. What is the power of x here? 2. Highest power of x. That is degree of polynomial. So 2 is the degree of the quadratic equation. So chalo. Now we'll go for the next one. Very simple. So whatever we have discussed so far, that is till 10th standard you have learned. In your 10th standard itself, you might have learned that. So let us talk about a couple of examples. Degree of this polynomial. What is the degree of this? What is the degree of that?
3, sir.
You are looking at the screen and nicely saying over there.
Sir.
That. Yes. So degree of the equation, x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 1. So highest power of the variable is cube. So degree is what? 3. Getting my point? Very simple. Very simple. Chalo. Now let us talk about what is a fundamental law of algebra. What is fundamental law of algebra? Fundamental. What is the fundamental basic law of algebra? Look at this. Any polynomial of degree n, any polynomial of degree n has n roots, which means roots means solutions. Getting my point? Look at this. We are talking about cubic equation here. इसको क्या बोलता है? Cubic equation ही है ना? This is my cubic equation. If it is a cubic equation, then it will be having 3 roots. If it is a 4th degree equation, let us say x power of 4, 3x cube plus 5x square plus 3x plus 9. It is a 4th degree equation, right? 4th degree equation. How many roots or solution this equation will be having? 4 roots. Why? Because highest degree is 4, right? That is a fundamental law of algebra. Fundamental law of algebra. Getting my point, children? Any doubts? Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
It has 4 roots. Chalo. Chalo. Look at this now. It has 4 roots. That is what is fundamental law of algebra. Look at this here. First, we are talking about cubic equation. It's a cubic equation. This is a cubic equation. with the 3 roots. So it has 3 roots, which means 3 solutions. Now we'll talk about a basic example. Tell me guys, which is not a polynomial among all the
5.
Sir, 5.
Huh?
Sir, 5.
Hey, Tambi, look at the question properly. Which is not a polynomial? Bah, very
X
simple.
minus
Sir,
2.
C, sir. C,
Power
sir.
minus 2
C is right.
plus
Sir, this is a laddu question, sir. So D option is correct, sir. If you are writing D option, you will get this one. Getting my point? Don't click on D option, guys. Phi is a polynomial. Phi is a monomial, right? Phi is a term. So D cannot be the answer.
Sir, B is the
monomial.
B is not. Oh, it is a poly.
It is a polynomial. Why?
It is a polynomial. Yes, sir.
It is a polynomial. None of the variable has negative power or root, right? Every power has, only one power here.
Yes, sir. See, sir. I thought it's quadratic equation. They were asking like power of 2, sir.
No. Third degree equation. So third degree polynomial, first one. So it is a polynomial. Second one is also a polynomial. Third one is not a polynomial since it has negative power. Getting my point? Very simple. So which expression is a polynomial? Now tell me. Which expression is a polynomial? Let's see who will give the
Sir,
first
A.
answer.
A.
Wait. What about others?
Yes, sir.
What's your answer?
No, it's
Sir.
C.
I don't think it is A, sir.
Okay. Amrut
I
has
think
some other
it's-
answer. 1 second. Amrut, yes, please, Amrut. Your answer is what? Then Arvind is wrong.
Sir, I think it.
See, Arvind said that yeah, but Amrut is saying that he is saying he doesn't think that. So what's your opinion on that? What's your answer, Amrut? And Anjali is also not giving vote for A. She is electing some other person. A, B, C, D. Among A, B, C, D, she is electing some other person. Please tell me, ma. Which option you are gonna choose? Guys, I'm talking seriously. See, which option you are gonna choose?
Sir, I actually didn't read the question properly.
Okay.
Sir, every option looks
I
same.
selected
No, wait.
as which is not a
One second,
polynomial.
one second. See, Disha, what about yours answer?
Option
Option
A.
why A? Why A? What is the reason behind that?
Sir, I think
Don't
B
know,
is a
sir.
polynomial. No.
Why? I'm asking Disha why? What is the reason? Next, Arvind will explain reason. Now you explain, Disha. Don't know, sir. Amrut, Arvind. Arvind also said yeah, right? Why Arvind?
Sir,
Arvind, are you Arvind or what, man? I'm asking Arvind. Yes, Arvind. Make it fast,
Yes,
Arvind.
sir.
Yes. What's the reason?
Sir, what do you want? Sir,
See, you guys are
root 11 is a
see.
polynomial.
1 second, please. Why I'm asking individually? You guys are so
So your
dull
voice
in
is
the class.
breaking.
You guys are so inactive in the class. That is the reason I'm asking individually, to making sure that you are interactive in the class. I'm making sure that you guys are interactive. Yes, tell me what is the reason, Arvind?
Sir, I think root 11 is a polynomial because it don't have a negative power. Plus, if we square root root 11, we'll get a number, sir, an integer.
Yeah. Anjali, what's your answer?
Sir, I think it's B because like if we remove the, I think it's B because like if we remove the bottom, like the denominator, and then like we can just like make both of them
Okay.
Wait, no. Yeah, and that'll be x squared plus 1. That's still a polynomial, right?
No. What's your answer, Amrut? What's your answer? What's your explanation, Amrut?
Sir, I think it is option D.
Option D. One person, one student is choosing A. One girl is choosing B. Amrut is choosing D. Election, you guys electing, different person. Guys, look at this. Simple. Look at the question. Why you are confusing? Which expression is a polynomial? अरे यार ये कैसा पॉलिनोमियल हो सकता है, ये कैसा पॉलिनोमियल हो सकता है, ये कैसा पॉलिनोमियल हो सकता है? Obviously option A is correct. Amrut is saying D. Anjali is saying B.
Sir, how can option A be a polynomial, sir?
Wait, man. Let me explain you how can. Look at this here. Option A is not. Option A is a polynomial. Look at this. Option B cannot be a polynomial. Look at this here. If I shift denominator x to the numerator, it will become minus x. X to the power of minus 1 plus x. So what I told you, for satisfying the polynomial, power of the variable should not be a negative number. So this cannot be. So look at this. Already we have negative power here. So this obviously cannot be. So look at this here. Root x can be written as x to the power of 1 by 2 plus x. So power of the variable cannot be a rational number. So this also cannot be a polynomial. So which is a polynomial now? Option A is correct. Understood, guys? Understood? Any doubts?
Yes.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
Next question. Now, degree of the polynomial is what? What is the degree of the polynomial? Highest degree of the variable is called as degree of the polynomial. Make it fast. Make it fast. What is the answer?
Sir, B.
Okay.
It's B.
B. Okay. What about others?
No.
See, only one time. I'll give
Sir,
chance. Only
it's
one
D.
time. See, you be strict with your answer. Take your time. Take a minute of time.
Option D.
Okay, sir. Give me.
1 second, ma. Yes, tell me.
Option D.
Sir, it's D. 7.
B. B for Bombay
D.
or
D.
what? Which one? B or D?
D.
7, sir.
D for Delhi.
Sir, it's 7.
D for Delhi. So option B someone are giving, option D as some people are saying. So which option is correct among all these? Option D is correct.
D.
D for Delhi. Delhi को जाना है. So D for Delhi is right answer. ठीक है? Understood? Why we are saying? How did you say B, man? Look at this here. Sir, here 2. That is highest power. So answer is D. So you will get this again. Getting my point? So please be ready. So look at the be aware of it. So x square plus x plus 1, x square plus 1 whole square plus 6. So look at this here, x square into x cube, and x square whole square, which is going to give me x power of 4. So degree of the polynomial, which can be considered the, for writing degree of the polynomial, we have to consider the power of the variable, right? So power of the variable, what must I write? What should I write here? I should write 3. I should add the powers, right? 3 plus 4. Bases are same here. So x power of 7 is my answer. See here, everywhere we have multiplication symbol. So I need to add the power of the variable. So 3 plus 4, which is going to be x power of 7. Understood, guys? So this is
Yes,
my
sir.
degree of the polynomial. Understood? Chalo. Next. Now I'll give one more question. You guys make it out here. X cube whole power of 8 into x power of 2 plus 3 whole power of 6 x cube plus 8 whole power of 8. Tell me, plus 8. What is the degree of this polynomial? Make it fast. Don't turn off your cameras, I said. See, it won't be good, guys. Make it fast.
66.
So we're supposed to tell the degree of the polynomial.
Yes.
11.
Sorry? Okay.
11, sir.
Okay. Don't, now you should not give another answer. Be strict with that. Aravind, what about you? Make it fast. अरे यार सिंपल सा सवाल कितना टाइम करते हो?
Sir, I got 66, sir.
66. Okay. You don't tell me another answer. Be strict to that. Amrut, you're writing offline paper. You're not writing online. So if you just bubble the option, that's it. Huh. Amrut, என்ன பண்ற தம்பி?
Sir, I got
சீக்கிரம். You got?
yes, sir.
What is that? Make it fast, guys. Amrut, what do you got? See how, guys, if you are this much inactive in a class, you have to be so active. Tell me what is the answer, Arvind, Amrut.
Sir, I know I gave the wrong answer because I didn't read
No,
the
you cannot
question
change it.
properly.
I'm sorry, you cannot change it, please. What about others? Arvind got some 60s. In 60s he got. Okay.
66, sir.
66. Okay. What about Disha? What about Amrud?
Sir, 24.
24. Be strict to that. Don't change the answer. You just bubbled. That's it. You don't have other option now. Amrud, you are the late. Amrud,
Yes, sir.
turn on your camera and talk to me. Make it fast. Amrut, tell your answer. You
Sir,
can
72.
72. Okay. So Amrut 72, Disha 24, Anjali 16, Arvind is 64. Let us see who is going to correct here. Look at this.
No,
here.
sir, I said 11 at start because I didn't even read the question properly.
So every question you won't read properly. I know that. See here.
Sir, that's how I lose marks in every like every test I have. I
It
don't
cannot
read
be
the
like that.
question.
It cannot be like that. So what's your answer now? Tell me. 11.
Okay, sir.
You
can
just
keep it
came
as-
from 16 to 11, right? Okay, let us see whether it is correct or not. See, I'm asking you for the degree of polynomial.
Sir, the starting thing is only 11 I gave. I didn't change it from 16 as to 11.
Okay, but your 16 is
Starting
answer. 16 is answer, right? Okay, let it be. Look at this. Let us discuss what is the answer now. See here, x to the power of 3 whole to the power of 8. If I have two powers, guys, like this, x to the power of m whole to the power of m, which is going to be x to the power of mn, right? This is what I have learned in my childhood, right? So x to the power of 3 8 24 into here x square whole power of 6 into x cube whole power of 8. So x to the power of 24, x to the power of 2 power of 6, which is going to be 64, x to the power of 24. So this is going to be fully becomes 16 one time, 64 one time, and who else given? 24 one time and 11 one time. So these all are degrees, right?
Sir, how 64, sir?
No, this is not a degree,
Sir?
guys. Huh? What is
How? Okay, okay, so nothing, sir.
not 2 6 12? Sorry, it's 2 6 12. So 24. So 24 plus 12 only, correct. 12 only. So look at this here now. So 6 x to the power of 60. So degree is what? 60. Now, sir, I said 60 only, sir. I didn't say 16. Don't tell me that.
Sir, I got it correct.
Then why did you say 64?
No, sir, I said 66, sir, but that zero only I wrote it in hurry, so it seemed like 6 to
66 you wrote
same
like this,
process
right?
only, I did, sir.
66
Yes,
can
sir.
be written as like this. Very good.
Sir, no, sir.
Then what,
Sir,
man?
hurry.
See, basic thing, man. Mind calculation. You must do mind calculation. Getting my point? So be
Sir,
aware of.
same process only I did, sir, but
Okay. Okay. So I'll give one more question, guys. I'll give one more question. X to the power of 3 whole to the power of 8 into x to the power of 3 whole to the power of minus 3 plus x to the power of whole to the power of 8. Make it fast. Taka, 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 taka. What is the degree of this?
Forty-two, sir.
Sir, 42.
Okay, behold. Make it fast.
sir, 39.
Sir, 42.
So 48.
Sir, 38.
Okay. I don't understand why here everyone is getting. Sorry?